Ribbit, ribbit. Can you say that? Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Hi, friends. Oh my goodness, it's a frog. Hi, frog. Can you wave to the frog and say hello? Hello, frog. Hello. Hi, friends. I'm Miss Kristen. Let's play, learn, and grow together. We're making a frog, like me. Yes, just like you. Do you want to make a frog craft with me today? Yay! You do? Come on, let's go. It's going to be so much fun. Frogs start as tiny eggs, and then they turn into tadpoles. Can you wiggle like a tadpole? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Then they grow legs and become a frog, and they can hop. Let's hop like a frog. Hop, hop. Let's make our frog craft. Today's craft comes from our Pre-K with Kristen Learning Box. If you have your learning box at home, you want to take out the paper plate that's cut like this, your little bag labeled frog, your bag of painting tools, and your green cup of paint. If you don't have a learning box from Pre-K with Kristen and you'd like to get one, have your grown-ups send me an email to the email address listed on the screen. Or you can find the materials at home. The first thing we want to do is paint our paper plate green. We want to cover the whole plate green because frogs are green. So go ahead and let's paint our paper plate green. I'm going to paint my plate, get the green all over. We want to make it nice and green. Paint, paint, paint. Paint it green with me. Paint, paint, paint. Paint your paper plate green. Now that we've gotten our paper plate painted all green, we're gonna let it dry. You can blow on it or fan it to make it dry faster. Or you can set it to the side, pause the video, and come back later. Or you can watch the video and just see how we do it. Now my frog is almost all the way dry, so I'm ready to make a face. We're gonna start by the eyes. Those will be found in your bag labeled frog. And remember, if you don't have the materials, that's okay. You can always just use a crayon to draw the face on your frog. Wow, those are some big eyes. How many eyes does a frog have? 1, 2. A frog has 2 eyes, just like us. Let's glue the frog's eyes on the paper plate. You can use your glue stick in your bag, or if you have liquid glue, you can use that too. We're gonna put some drops of glue right here, because this is where our frog's eyes are gonna go. Put the glue on your plate. We're gonna put the eyes on. Push it on, and you might wanna hold it there just for a second to let it hold. One eye and the other eye. One, hold it, hold it, hold it so it'll stick. Great job! The next thing we're gonna add to our frog is its tongue. Can you stick your tongue out? Good job! Frogs have really, really long tongues because they use their tongues to catch bugs. Let's stick our tongue out like we're catching bugs. Great job! Now we're going to use the red piece of paper and we're going to fold it to make it like a long frog tongue that goes in and out. So to do this, we're going to fold it down and we're going to go back and forth. So we're going to fold it this way, then we're going to fold it the other way, then go back this way. It's like an accordion. It's called an accordion fold. That way, back this way, then that way, then this way, and back that way one more time. Squeeze it, and then when it opens, it's like an accordion. Boing, boing, boing. Great job. Now, we're gonna glue the tongue onto our frog. Wait, can we glue a tongue on without having a mouth? Frogs have a mouth, and our tongue is inside our mouth. So before we glue on our tongue, let's draw a big smiley face on our frog. Use a flat crayon or marker to draw your smiley face. We're gonna draw a big smiley face on our frog. He's a happy frog. Happy frog. Ribbit. He's happy because he's gonna catch lots of bugs. Here's his face, his happy smiley mouth. He's a happy frog. Look at that smile. Can you smile? Smile. Great job. Now let's glue the tongue on our frog. So again, we're gonna use glue to glue our tongue right by the frog's mouth. If you have a glue stick, you can use that or liquid glue. We're just gonna put a little dot of glue right below his mouth. You can do it to the side or in the middle. That's up to you. All right, and we're gonna glue, push one of the flat ends right to the glue. And again, hold it for a few minutes just so that it sticks really, really good. I like to count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job! And we finished our frog craft. Ribbit, ribbit. That was so much fun. This is just one part of our frog week. On Saturday, we're going on a frog adventure with songs, movement, and a frog hunt. It's gonna be so much fun. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. And you can always join us here at Pre-K with Kristen, where learning is always fun. I'll see you next time, friends. Bye. Ribbit, ribbit.